What's up, guys? I'm Casey from Blacksmith Garage here, and pizza!
Good.
Two. This is Casey from Blacksmith Garage here. Also today, we're gonna be eating some pizza, pepperoni pizza. It's pretty good.
Today, don't have really many plans. Just messing around in the shop, and we're gonna start tearing that cab down, stripping it down because it's taking up a lot of real estate. It needs to get the heck out.
It is no longer free real estate.
We're gonna get our light in here, probably do a time lapse, put some music over it, and
Go to town. We're getting burnt out on the cab. The cab's getting annoying, but we just need to get it done and get it out of here. Once it's done, it'll be done, and we won't have to worry about it no more.
just push through and get going.
I saw this old ride listed for sale, 10 years old, and it looked like hell. All my friends said don't, I replied, oh Lord.
Alright, so we just undid the last bolt on the dash. We're just undoing a bunch of wires that are going to the dash. We're gonna pull this bad boy out, and then just a little bit of odds and ends, and we're probably gonna be done stripping the cab. So, stay tuned.
Does the mud, as well as the sand, it defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement. If you ever think I'll sell it, good luck. American made, and it's my truck. Before I was just another guy. Look at me now, I'm way up high. Might look like I have it just for show, cause it'll dust up any dirt road. I jacked it up.
Alright boys, I'm back!
That kid brought the goods.
I got the goods. Alright, so we've effectively got everything out of the cab that we're gonna use.
Hold on, I'm getting a phone call now.
Alright, so we've got the cab effectively almost stripped out. We're pretty much just, we might take off the black back glass, maybe not. I'll have to see what Ben thinks. But we've got the heater box out, we've got the entire dash out, we've got everything out, all the wiring, and so all we have to do is clean it up. We're probably going to vacuum it so we don't have any loose screws. Then we're going to take this cab out, and
Then first we're gonna make sure we have every tool, and then we're gonna take it out. Say hello, Ben.
come on,
Hey,
Alright, so we've got everything on the cab stripped. We've got the dash out. We've got everything except for the windows out. We've got the seat belts and everything. Everything's out. So this thing is ready to go to the scrap yard. There's nothing else we're going to use on this. It's basically garbage.
So we've got quite the mess here, as you can see.
Wiener. Probably should cut that.